Greetings from Florida. We're working on a 99 to 04 Grand Cherokee. The video's sped up double speed, and this is the right rear door. They've got a screw in there. There's also a screw right there where I'm pointing. It was out, he had already taken it out. It's a torque screw that's there behind that pull handle. You got two rods. Be careful when you take the door panel off. If you yank it off too rough, you're going to break off the attachments that the rods go into, and that becomes a problem. So just be careful with that. Next up, bring down the glass. And I'm probably going to take the speaker off. If you need these, check my website, upanddownmainstreet.com, upanddownmainstreet.com. If this is a helpful video, please like the video. That allows other people to find it on YouTube. If you have any questions, go right on YouTube and ask. I'll be glad to answer any questions. Just ask them on YouTube. So I'm just going to move the speaker out of the way. Then there's two clips on the bracket on the regulator that you got to take off. Oh, by the way, lightly spray the two up and down channels with some WD-40. Always a good idea, lightly. You're going to take off those two clips. You're going to pull that metal bracket towards you or push the glass back to get it off. Not too tough. And then I think I'm locking up the window. Yep. Next up, take out the regulator. Make sure you get the right one. Take a quick look at it. Make sure it looks correct. It should be fine. 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3. And then you've got 5/16 screws there. Three of those. Unplug it. Oh, right there is what holds one of the cables in. You just gotta slide your hand in there and take the cable out. More than likely, you just needed the regulator. The motors generally don't go, but they make them as an assembly now. You get the whole thing whether you need it or not. So let's slide that in. I pop that cable back onto that silver holder, retaining piece. Didn't seem to fit, but it does. I just was second guessing myself. Let's tighten down those. And then the 5/16 screws. Plug it back in, pop that red piece down, that locks it in. A little bit of WD-40 there on the sides, never hurts. You don't have to soak it, just give it a light spray. Bring the glass down, and it requires almost a 2-click process to pop those metal posts into the bracket on the regulator. Make sure they're on tight because you don't want to go back in and do this again. I'm not even testing it out because I know it's going to work. That's how confident I am. Once again, if this is helpful, please hit the like button so that'll help other people find this on YouTube. We're doing other people a great service. And if you need these, you can find these on my website, Up and Down Main Street, upanddownmainstreet.com. Thank you. There's usually some paper on this too. I think he took it off. My customer taken it off. You're going to plug in the wiring harness to the switch. You're going to put the two rods back on and the clips. And then with your finger, you might want to pull up on that rubber seal strip. Sometimes the door gets caught over it, so you can just pull it up to get it on. Let's see, I had to find a couple clips that hadn't come off, so I pulled those off and put them back on. And then you've got 2 screws. So you can watch the rest of the video, enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a great week, and have a